Salutations, my name is Michael J. Turner. I am the Southwest Shaman, and you are shining with the Arizona sun. This is another installment of a motivational, inspirational, informational workout video for you to reference. This channel is StereoPHX 888. It's all about personal development. I am your peer support. I am your life coach. I am the Southwest Shaman. I traverse different paths spiritually, physically, mentally, all those things. But right now, this is part of my morning ritual. Get out here and just give you some. Like I said, you can gain motivation from it and inspiration and maybe some technique too. However, this is I got my home workout setup that I built myself, and I call it the Bruce Lee Karate Body Thin to Win workout, for those of you who are on that type of level, on that type of time. Bruce Lee. Static poses. Get those good ones in there, huh? Those good ones. Yeah, doing pull-ups, man. You got to. Variety's the spice of life. There's so much you can do with a pull-up bar. Now then. I didn't drop nothing on that. Let's see. What are we gonna do next? I don't use that one too often up there. Let's move over here. Got my artwork in the background. Okay. This is all, it's like calisthenics, right? So, what I usually do most times with my push-ups is I'll just, it'll be a combination of different grips or whatever. So, this time, I'm going to do this. I'll start with a incline, if you will. Come on. My chain away. And I'm going to be shifting my hands back and forth. I'll give you another perspective on that. I'll give you another view on that. So after that, I'm gonna go straight to these, which will be the decline. And you know what? I'll start with the close. Get my maxi. What's up, Maxie? I'll get some more, the regular or the outside. you know, I'm just building energy right now for my day, so I can feel the pom 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 pom. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I'm not going to like I always stress, man, it's all about consistency. And then, see, for me, I've built my body before, so it's easy to get it back. But, you know, when you're trying to get it there, it's not going to happen in 1 week. And it takes about 90 days to see results. Because, let me share this with you, man. I went into jail at age 26, and before I ended up going to prison for a number of years. And I had the body of like a 15-year-old because working out was like a foreign concept to me, or it just never occurred to me. And so I started doing push-ups. You know, that's what everybody starts with, huh? And I can honestly say it took about 90 days, and then I saw something, and I was like, oh shit, wow, this is pretty cool. So you can get into that and seeing those results, you know. But like it's consistency. And so the amounts you do, don't get it confused thinking that, like, you know, more is always more, you know. Because the main thing for me is, it's one thing when you're locked up to do a lot of working out, right? But when you're out here, which is still just doing time, no different, you have to be able to not get disgusted, or not disgusted, but like totally turned off by the idea of exercising because of how stressful it is to maintain a workout regime amidst everything else. And one way that it happens is by, oh man, I've been going so hard for the last month, and it's just like the thought of going in there or driving over there, you know. So you know, that's why I built this shit at my house. And that's it, man. Southwest Shaman, hitting you with that early morning energy, coming from Arizona with love. StereoPHX 888. Like and subscribe, y'all.